Gutom na. Gutom na ako. Hinihintay ko matapos eh. Hinihintay ko siyang matapos. Eh, gutom na ako talaga. Mangangagat na ako. Mangangagat na, Kermit. As in. Okay, ano ulam natin? Sausage, fresh from lata, from the can. Ininit ko lang sa microwave, tapos may rice ako. At meron akong itlog na pula. Kapag kumain,
you won your election. Exactly. Thank God. Never made it this far. How will this convention be different with Vice President Harris as the nominee than President Biden?
yun.
Well, remember, first of all,
Kumikirot na yung tiyan ko. Kumain ako ng isang Skyflakes kanina. Hindi sapat. Pinoy ako. Iba yung rice.
And I can say I've not felt this kind of energy
Sandali lang naman ako
electricity
kumain.
at any convention other than the one for Barack Obama. So to have it here in
Anong oras na
Chicago,
kasi
and
dito?
the fact that people are coming here, they're calling.
Alexa, what time is it?
For people late in the
It's
game here,
8:18
saying
a.m.
O
kind of,
8:18 a.m.
Is that right? So there was the 96 convention in Chicago.
Pag dumating ako sa umaga, ang hiyaw ko agad, Alexa, what time is it? It's 5:41 a.m. 5:41 ako dumating kanina. Maaga. Lubutom ako. Huwag kumain. Kahapon nandito yung ano.
Well, I know reporters like to harken back to 68 because, you know, there's a lot of good footage you get to point. We also harken back to 96.
Nangumusta. Tapos, ibinigay yung sweldo ko na late ng 3 days. Dapat sweldo ko Thursday, Friday, Saturday. O, 2 days lang pala ngayon. Bali 3 days.
Honestly, has coalesced around this candidate. That was not the case in 1968.
Tapos, kinumusta yung nanay. Okay. Malapit nang maglakad. Tapos, kinakausap niya. Inaaway na siya. Sabi niya, oh, you're back. The real Lugusta.
But also protect all the people visiting, 50,000 people coming to Chicago, and the residents of Palmer. So the plan's been in place for a year and a quarter now already. We're going to execute on that plan the next 4 days. Certainly most of the protesters, I'm sure, intend to be peaceful, but there are some groups that are making clear they do not want to be peaceful. There's one called Behind Enemy Lines, for example, a leftist anti-imperialist protest group calling on its supporters to shut down the DNC, urging them to make bruises from Chicago police batons. The 2024
Kasi pag sinabi niya tapos na siya, tatayo na ako. Stop na yung vlog ko. Stop na yung video ko.
They're going to get arrested and they're going to get convicted. But the fact is that the vast majority of people who are protesting, and we've seen this before, are, you know, peaceful
Gawa ito ng mga
protesters that have their
Chinese.
voices heard. They're going to be heard, no doubt about it, and we're going to protect that. Vice
Mahal.
President Harris laid out some of her economic priorities this week, focusing on the high cost of living in the United States. Here's how the Washington Post editorial board responded. Unfortunately, instead of delivering a substantial plan, the Post wrote, she squandered the moment on populist gimmicks, unquote. Even some Democratic economists say her plans to target corporate price gouging and eliminate taxes on tips likely would not actually bring prices down or significantly help low-income workers. What do you think about these two policies she's proposed? Well, I just want to remind you that, you know, raising the child tax credit to $6,000, that is not a gimmick. That's a real thing that helps real families across the United States. Wasn't one of the two I understand, but I mean, there are a whole host of proposals that she has put forward. I know you'd like to go to one or two, but I just want to say that the whole panoply of them honestly is good for average, everyday working Americans. That's what she's going for, is focused on the challenges that they have experienced. And yeah, there has been price gouging. Of course, there are economists who say, well, that's not really true, there's been inflation. But you've heard corporations talk about how they raised prices even above what the inflationary amount would be.
Umiinom na ng
saw that
tubig.
their profits went up
Tapos,
significantly during that time period. So I think it's not
nakailang
unreasonable for her to
minutes
say
na
that
ba
the
ako?
federal government should do what many states have already done, which is focus on that price gouging. And then don't forget, she's also focused on middle-class housing. It is impossible in this
Bitin yung
country
rice.
right now with interest rates as high as they are for people to buy a house. And
Tatabi
until
ko
that
for lunch.
amount goes down, until the 6+% interest rate that people are paying goes down, they
Bitin
can
yung
help from the
rice.
federal government, and that's what she is offering. And I think middle class and working class people across the United States appreciate that she's thinking about that.
Sisimutin
Nothing
ko.
is coming out of the Trump administration, the Trump campaign about helping working class and middle class Americans.
You were all in on Biden's candidacy right until the moment he dropped out. I want you to take a listen to what Biden's former chief of staff, Ron,
Are you done eating?
told my colleague Andrew Cooper
Oh,
earlier this week.
I do think, the president was pushed by public calls from elected officials for him to drop out, from donors calling him to drop out, and I think that was wrong. The president won the nomination fair and square. 14 million people
Dumidikit kasi yung rice. Kasi, kaya pinupunasan ko. Hindi ko agad
Was it wrong for the
nahuhugasan.
Democrats,
Ang hirap urungan. Kasi,
Well, I want to remind you that
hintayin ko pa
there's
siya.
an enormous amount of reverence for
Nagtitipid
Joe
ako
Biden.
pati
For
sa
50 years, he has
sabong
fought for the
pang-urong.
American people and for working
Nagre-reklamo
families.
si boss.
And so, as we were approaching this
Grabe.
convention, I think there was a,
Reklamador.
was looking at the polls
Nagre-reklamo
and seeing that
sa
there was some real
sabong panlaba.
challenges ahead. There
Yung
was a
sa
danger
vinegar na
on the
ginagamit ko sa
horizon,
paglalaba.
and that is that Donald
At saka yung
Trump
sa
might become
pang-urong.
president again. And it's a
Magkano
danger
lang
that a
yun?
majority of Americans will
Pero kung sa
reject.
bagay,
But they need to
okay na
know
yung
that
magreklamo
who they're
siya.
voting for is somebody
Huwag
that
lang
they
sa
can be
sweldo
excited
ko.
and electrified by. And I think they weren't feeling that about Joe Biden. Having said that, this is a man who's accomplished more in 3.5 years than most presidents get done in 8. So we're going to see a celebration of him. We're also going to see how Kamala Harris has brought the party together with Tim Walz, by the way, a good friend of mine and a fellow Midwestern governor, who's an everyday guy and somebody that everybody relates to. So I think that collection, that pair, it has turned this place into, well, frankly, it'll be like a rock concert. I think people are going to be cheering and pretty excited.
Are you done? Okay.
Democratic governors, New York governor Kathy Hochul tweeted a picture of some, I guess this is supposed to be deep dish pizza. He said, seriously.